have a horse, and I don't have a truck, and I don't fish, and I won't hunt. I'm not even rich, and I don't give a fuck. I'm not country, and I'm not very hick, I'm not a redneck, but I'm as white trash as it gets. So how about we go back to the 5:30, hauling ass down an old dirt road. How about we go back to the woods? How about we go to the 5:30, down an old dirt road, in the dirty 5:30. I don't ride a horse, and I don't drive a truck, and I don't fish, and I won't hunt. I'm not very country, cause I'm white trash as fuck. Wait, what you think of me? I don't drink, I only smoke that weed. I am broke and fuck what you think. You can go ahead and hate me. I'm fucking crazy for hoping this lady is gonna date me, but she don't know. I don't ride a horse, and I don't drive a truck, I don't fish, and I don't hunt. I'm not very country, cause I'm white trash as fuck. You can hate me or love me, go ahead and judge me. If you face me, I guarantee that you gotta love me. I'm just tryna smoke this weed, so if you wanna fuck with me, let me tell you what. I come from the 5:30, and you ought to know that I'm gonna be smoking hella weed every day of the week. I don't give a fuck what you think.